Once considered a luxury product, a smartphone has grown to become a commodity over the years. But on Wednesday, things will reach a whole new level. As part of its attempt to connect every Indian, local smartphone manufacturer Ringing Bell, with immense support from the Indian government, will launch an affordable smartphone called the Freedom 251 on Wednesday. The Freedom 251, touted as India's cheapest smartphone and likely the most affordable smartphone in the world as well, will sport a price tag below 500, and that is approximately $7. The Indian smartphone manufacturer said that it will reveal the exact price of the handset and other details like its specification at the launch event. Ringing Bell says that the smartphone is in line with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to connect every Indian and enrich their lives. The company also asserts that its smartphone is built to meet the goals of Make in India, the government's project to entice multinational as well as domestic players to manufacture their products in India. With making a smartphone available at a price under 500, the Freedom 251 has the potential to significantly improve the lifestyle of people in the country with a low income. It will be interesting to say whether or not Ringing Bells is able to manufacture and sell this device at a larger scale.
इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि डेविड हेडली के बयान के बाद जब चीज पूरी तरह से स्पष्ट हो चुकी है, इसमें आईएसआई का हाथ है, पाकिस्तान का हाथ है। मैं समझता हूं कि अब इतना एक्सपोज हो जाने के बाद तुरंत पाकिस्तान को 26/11 के जो कल्प्रिट्स हैं उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, कठोर कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।